Hey guys, just another little review of the Arctic Air. It's as seen on TV. So what it includes, I don't know who bought this, but shits and giggles, I already kind of opened it. I have no idea what this crap is, so let's learn together. I just did a unboxing of this. I'll either have it posted by the time this one is, or be posting it in a couple of days. Paperwork in the system. This is what it looks like once it's all set up. It's the Cool Mist, I guess. You fill this up with this funnel they give you. You fill it up using the water window in the front. And in the back, you slide in those ice packs. And then one is just for like the ice pack and the fan. Two is for ice pack and the fan, and also mist. And then these are like little directional vents. So overall, build quality not too bad. It's only $50. In Canada, it's $50. So this is what it comes with. Plugs in via USB. Not sure on how good this is gonna work, but for like $50, if it doesn't work good, I mean, you can't really go wrong, can you? For $50. But once I test it out, we're just freezing the ice packs as we speak right now. So in 4 hours, once it's tested out, I will get back and do a little review on this little guy. But until then, this is what came with it. And then the 2 ice packs. And some instructions. Easy, simple instructions. And a book. Arctic Air Ultra Pro as seen on TV. So, here we go. 2 times the cooling power. Cools, humidifies, mists. So we'll see.